Next, he described Chaitanya's 3 spiritual moods. Master. Chaitanya Dev used to experience 3 moods. In the inmost mood, he would be absorbed in samadhi, unconscious of the outer world. In the semi-conscious mood, he would dance in ecstasy, but could not talk. In the conscious mood, he would sing the glories of God. To the devotees, you are listening to my words. Try to assimilate them. When worldly people sit before a sadhu, for the time being, they completely hide all worldly thoughts and ideas. But once away from the holy man, they let them out again. You have seen a pigeon eating dried peas. You think he has digested them, but he keeps them in his crop. You can feel them there. At dusk, put aside all duties and pray to God. One is reminded of Him by darkness. At the approach of darkness, one thinks, I could see everything a moment ago. Who has brought about this change? The Musalmans put aside all activities and say their prayers at the appointed times. Mukherjee. Revered sir, is it good to practice japa? Master. Yes. One attains God through japa. By repeating the name of God secretly and in solitude, one receives divine grace. Then comes his vision. Suppose there is a big piece of timber lying under water and fastened to the land with a chain. By proceeding along the chain, link by link, you will at last touch the timber. Higher than worship is japa. Higher than japa is meditation. Higher than meditation is bhava. And higher than bhava are mahabhav and prem. Chaitanya Dev had prem. When one attains prem, one has the rope to tie God. Hazra entered the room. Master to Hazra. Love of God, when it is intense and spontaneous, is called Raga Bhakti. Vedhi Bhakti, formal devotion, depends on scriptural injunctions. It comes and it goes. But Raga Bhakti is like a stone emblem of Shiva that has sprung up out of the bowels of the earth. One cannot find its root. They say the root goes as far as Benares. Only an incarnation of God and his companions attain Raga Bhakti. Hazra. Ah, me. Master. One day, I was returning from the pine grove when I saw you telling your beads. I said to the Divine Mother, Mother, what a small-minded fellow he is. He lives here and still practices japa with a rosary. Whoever comes here, referring to himself, will have his spiritual consciousness awakened all at once. He won't have to bother much about japa. Go to Calcutta and you will find thousands telling their beads, even the prostitutes. To M. Please bring Narun here in a carriage. I am making the same request to Mukherjee. I shall give Narun something to eat when he comes. There is great significance in feeding boys like him.